how you can log in into your HelloFresh account. First, you might want to open your web browser, or you can use any web browser that you want. I will be using Google Chrome. And after you've opened your web browser, just search for HelloFresh. And after you search for it, just open up a HelloFresh link. Now you can directly go to hellofresh.com too. Now, after you've opened your HelloFresh, on the top right, you'll see the login option. Just click on it. Now, as you can see, the login page has opened up. Now, what you need to do is you need to type in your email and type in your password. Or if you have already signed in using one of these three, that is your Google account or your Apple ID or your Facebook, you can directly go and click on this. And if you have not signed in using any three of these and you've just signed in using your email and your password, you can directly go here and just type in your email and then type in your password and just log in. So that is how you log in into your HelloFresh account, guys. Thank you for watching. Stay tuned for more upcoming tutorial videos, and bye bye. Take care.